Alrighty, welcome back. So let's talk about scripting and expressions preferences. So application scripting. Allow scripts to write files and access network? No. Enable JavaScript debugger? No. Warn user when executing files? Yes. Expressions. Expression pick up WIP Writer's Compact English? Sure. Show warning banner when project contains expression errors? Yes. Expression editor. Font size is 12. Syntax highlighting, you absolutely want that. Show line numbers, yes. Show indent guides, you could do that. Highlight matching braces, auto insert braces, auto indent. Use tabs, backspace on unit indents, unindents, I should say. Inline errors and autocomplete, you want all that, okay? I do know how to write in JavaScript and I do program, so yes, all these things are important, and color coding is very important because it makes everything easier, okay? And so you'll notice the colors here. Default is white, background is black, keywords are light blue, identifiers, comments are green, numbers are like a light blue, strings are a pinkish color, operators, line numbers, indent guides, good brace, bad brace, selection. So let's show indent guide as well. Okay, let's see if that... Okay, so this is the indent guide. Okay, I should know this. I'll show you my curriculum here. This is an indent line right here. Okay, I use a text editor, which is for coding. I use that for my curriculums. Okay? And there's no color coding because it's just text. But when you write JavaScript, it's different. Okay, so that is scripting and expressions preferences. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.